Welcome back. Today I want to show you how to use Honda RoadSync app. I'm using it already over 2 weeks and I'm pretty satisfied with it. It has some nice features, something worse, mainly navigation for me, but so far overall it's fine. So let's install it first. It will take a minute. Now open. And let's start. You can change your region. Where are you from? So next, I have to accept this. Nothing special. Now you sign in with your Google account. That's done. And let's continue setup. Now you have to go do access to everything you want to use. So first is navigation. So when using app, same. You just have to allow access to everything, and it's pretty straightforward. Just go next, and you are fine. Next, yes. Weather, yes. Calls, yes. Allow. Come on, okay. Text messages, allow. Spotify. You can use, I think, other apps, but I'm using Spotify. So next, and connect to Bluetooth in your headset Bluetooth. Next, and now you connect to motorbike. Allow. You choose your motorbike. So I have Honda Forza 125. Next. Yeah, now you have to go to menu and settings, down to general, and yeah, Bluetooth pairing reset. So you reset your pairing, hold to the right, yeah, proceeding. No, and now you see, where did it go end? Again. Okay, pair. Now it's done, connected. Next. Yeah, now you connect your Bluetooth headset in your helmet. Next. Everything next, and you are fine. So allow, and that's done. It should be, I think. Loading. No, so accept. So that's done. Now you can see what you can use is weather, navigation, calls, messages, and music. Of course, you can navigate with this joystick from up to down. Your weather, now navigation, also is changing on your display, calls, messages, and music. So first is weather. You can see weather at your location and few hours ahead. That's pretty nice. Next, navigation. You can search by voice or nearby places. You can find something like gas station, ATMs, and so on, shops. Let's see, ATMs. Now you can set it to nearby ATM, pretty nice. And save something to your favorites. And other calls, also you can search by voice in contacts or recent calls and favorites, same. Messages, you can use this for normal messages or WhatsApp, Messenger, So when you receive a message, you press to write, and AI voice will read it for you, and also you can answer. You record your message, and it will convert to text and send it. So that's nice. And last one, music. You press right to skip song, left pause or play, and hold left back to main menu. So that's it. Let's hit the road. So today I have 330 kilometers ahead of me. First going to Sturovo at Slovak-Hungary border, then continuing south to Budapest, and then back north to Slovakia. So it will be a long day, but should be fine. Looking forward to it. Let's go.